You need to display the available products in your HTML. Start by using the addition assignment operator to add an empty template literal string to the inner HTML property of the dessert cards variable. But let's write down what we know. We know that an addition assignment operator looks like this. And we also know that an empty template literal string to the inner we also know that an empty template literal string looks like this, a backtick. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about the assignment operator. So if we have a value of 0 to the left side and we have a value of 1 to the right side, it will take the value from the right side. It will take the value from the right side to the left side. So it will add 1 to 0, so it would be 1, 1 plus 1, that would be 2, that would be 1 plus 2, that would be 3, and so on and so forth, unless there would be a restriction. So in our case, we would have an addition assignment operator to add an empty template literal string, pardon my French, to the inner HTML property of the dessert cards variable. So let's access first the variable before we interpolate the property. In our case, that would be the dessert cards. And then interpolate the inner HTML. And then assign here the assignment addition operator. And then the template literal string. Nice.